To properly maintain and adjust the clutch lever on your Indian Challenger, follow these steps. Park the motorcycle on a flat, level surface and allow the vehicle to cool completely. Inspect the entire length of the clutch cable for any damage, fraying, or kinks to the external casing or the cable wire. Replace any cables that are damaged, sticky, or sluggish. Next, use an adjustable wrench to rotate the clutch shaft arm until the tension has been released from the cable. Release the cable barrel from the shaft arm and carefully release the clutch shaft. On the left handlebar, unscrew the bottom hinge nut. Then push the pivot pin upward and remove from the handlebar. Remove the clutch lever and rotate the cable barrel out of the lever. Remove any old grease and dirt from the lever, housing, and cable ends. Lubricate the clutch lever and pivot screw with reassembly grease or all-purpose grease. Also apply a thin coating of all-purpose grease to both clutch cable ends. Do not lubricate between the cable and the sheath. Reinstall the clutch cable into the lever housing. Install the clutch lever into the handlebar and align the pivot pin hole. Reinstall the pivot pin fully. Then reinstall the nut and tighten until fully seated. Clean any residual grease off the handlebar. Carefully rotate the clutch shaft arm and reconnect the clutch cable. Next, measure the clutch lever free play between the clutch lever and the clutch lever mounting bracket. If adjustment is needed, loosen the clutch cable jam nut. Turn the cable adjuster inward or outward until the clutch lever free play is set to specification. While holding the adjuster, tighten the clutch cable jam nut securely. Finish by verifying proper operation of the clutch and repeat as needed. The engine should not start with the clutch lever released. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.